Hey, my Thomas here. I'm about to commence a job that I have been dreading. We've already done one, and that's sanding these black walnut beams. We've gone through here, we've done the drywall, we've done the paint. Now I've got to clean up everything. So, what I'll be using is this Fess tool. My buddy let me borrow his. It's got the vacuum cleaner with it and everything. With this tool, I can sand inside without having to worry about getting the dust everywhere. So that's the big thing for why I want to use this tool in particular. Also, it's pretty strong. It's a pretty powerful tool. I've already started in the corner just to do my initial feel up. How does it work? We did this beam last weekend, the one that's directly overhead that has a fan on and everything. You can't see it right now. That was the hardest of the beams because it was the tallest. We're not going to do these. Should be pretty easy. I'll just go down the face of it, then go down the back side of it, and then go down the bottom side of it. So it's 3 passes. And what we learned on the first beam is we tried to do, okay, side, bottom, side. It's really just better to do one whole side, then do the other side, then do the bottom. Come back and touch up the bottom. So I'm gonna put on a time lapse. We're gonna do this together. All I'm really looking to do is take out the saw marks. I'm not really going that far into it. I am using 40 grit, but it's on an orbital sander. 40 grit on an orbital is like a 60 to 80-ish. From a distance, you really can't see any swirl marks or anything like that. Even up close, I can't. And it's smooth enough, it'll take oil. So that's all I'm looking for. Take some Howard's Feed and Wax. I'll be using the furniture stuff. In fact, let me grab it real quick. I'll show you exactly what I'm using. All right, so this is my favorite stuff right here. This is Howard's Feed and Wax, beeswax, and orange oil. If you're not doing a food grade application, in my opinion, this is probably the best you could use. It's inexpensive. It's like $9 for that. And this right here should do everything in here and then some. A little goes a long way kind of thing. I like it. It has the beeswax in there. It'll give it a really nice satin finish when it's all said and done. These beams have been in the house, I'm going to say, 9 months, 8 months, something like. They've been in there for a while. These are cut on the sawmill. They're 6x8s. They were brought over here. We put them up. That beam there, essentially no deflection that I can see, maybe 1/8 of an inch or so. The beam up top side here, about a 1/2 inch deflection over an 18-foot span. And the beam behind me, well, that's my problem child beam. And it's kind of exaggerated more so because of this. There's a little bit of sapwood on it, and the sapwood actually bends in the same direction as the beam. But that beam over there has got about 1 inch sag. And I've looked at things I could do to straighten it up. It's just not worth it. This is gonna be in our bedroom. I'm not really too worried about it. It is a big span for it. It's not supporting anything. It is completely aesthetic. But unfortunately, just based on the way that it was put up there and over time, it did sag. But it has stopped movement, all the movement's out of it, so that's good. And there's things I can do to make it not look as bad. And it's really not bad. Most people won't see it, but I can see it. All right, I've jabbered on enough. Now you're gonna really watch me work. I think my shoulder's good enough. I got about an hour. Probably about an hour to do that. So that's about all I'm gonna do tonight is that one beam. So that's all this video is gonna be. And then the next one was only gonna be 2 sides. Thank goodness. It's only gonna be a bottom and a face. So not too bad. All right, let's get to work. folks, that was the most demoralizing thing. That damn beam. Anyways, I got this face done. And if we go to the back side, I got that face done. I just don't have enough in me right now to do the underside. So that'll be a little bit later on, probably be tomorrow if I get some energy in me. But I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of what I've done all day. So this is just in the evening time. Started workout here about 6:45 this morning. And we've essentially finished up the shower tub area. So what I've been working on today and this evening, all day today, has been this right here. Turn on the light. All right, so I've got up all my poplar here in our shower, and I had to put a few fixtures back on, check for leaks and stuff like that. But the ceiling is most of the way done. I've got some trim work and stuff like that. As you can see, the fan, everything works in here. These showers right here. Look at this. I put them at 7 foot, but they have this drop down on them. So, long story short, we're gonna get a new thing that raises it up. Because right now I can barely wash my hair underneath the shower, which is kind of irritating. Whenever we got those, I mean, I put them at 7 foot high. Then we did build up the base here. Long story short, I'm 6'4", and I don't have a lot of clearance now. Just the little things. I didn't take that into consideration. I thought it was going to come off at a different angle, whatever. But we got these new gooseneck things. They go up higher. It'll look cool, I guess, or maybe it'll look stupid. I don't know. I really don't want to touch any more plumbing in the wall because I've already finished everything. But it is what it is right now. I do have, there's a 2x4 right here that I've got to cover up. And I'm in the process of cutting a beam to size. It's going to go all the way across to this side here and run the full span. And it's going to kind of U-shape up over that 1x6 there as well. But yeah, very exciting. A lot of work still to go. But we are making progress. I put a pretty tight timeline on myself. I'm trying to get a lot of work done in the house. So we can enjoy it for a little bit. Unfortunately, we're going to be moving in the July timeframe. My goal is to completely have the addition done here in April, so I can at least enjoy it for about 3.5 months. It's kind of sad. I've been working on this for 1.5 years, but put so much time and money into this and only to have to leave. It's kind of a heartbreaking thing. But this is our retirement home. It's not anything that we're going to sell. We will come back to here. I'm just going to have to go down to the Gulf Coast, do some stuff down there, work with Mr. Robert and such, and my buddy Neil. So that'll be good. And then I'll be working my job in the Navy down there. And whenever I do end up retiring, haven't figured out when that's going to be yet. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff going on in the world. We'll see. But yeah, we'll get this done. We'll at least enjoy it on vacations and stuff. But I do want to live in here for a number of months, just a few. I mean, that's what we do every single move. It's like I just finished the house and then we move. So yeah, this is a gut punch on this one though, because I thought that this build would have gone a lot faster and not cost as much as it did. But as you can see, I have got so much work to do. This is all I do in my free time. Yep. All right. We'll see you around. Please like, subscribe. More to come.